Leash Canine Training Cincinnati, and today I have 1.5-year-old Labradoodle Miller joining us for our Freedom Board and Train. He's joining us with issues of not having a solid recall. He has some unwanted behaviors the owner wants to work on, such as jumping up, counter surfing, and getting in the garbage. So let's go ahead and see what Miller knows. Miller, sit. Miller, sit. Good boy. And again, he doesn't hold his commands. Also, you see that jumping up, and he is a big dog, so that is something that his owners want to stop. Let's see, place. Good, sit. Miller, sit. And he's kind of doing that sit command whenever he wants and on his terms. He jumps right out of that, and his owner has gone through our program before with their other dog, Rona. So he wants to be able to place Miller on a place cot as people enter and just kind of work on greeting manners that way. Miller, come. Come. And as you can see, Miller has no recall, so we'll definitely be working on that. Give me that back. So keep watching and see where I get Miller in 1 week. Good boy, Miller. Miller, sit. Sure. Go for it. Good boy, Miller. Good boy. Miller, sit. Down. Miller, come. Good boy. Good calm. Miller, sit. Yes. Good job. Good job, buddy. Miller, come. Miller, sit. Good sit, buddy.
Good job, Mel. Good job, Mel.
Place.
Good boy.
Yes. Miller, sit. Yes, good place, good sits. Good boy. Miller, break.
Good boy, buddy. Good boy, buddy.
Miller, place. Miller, sit.
Good place. Good sit, buddy.
Where can I borrow that? No, the rock. Miller, place.
Good boy. Yes, Miller. Sit.
She's okay. I asked her to hold it. Miller, come.
Good boy. Miller. Good come, good sit. Good boy. Down.
Miller, quick.
Good boy, Miller. That's a good baby. You good
Yes.
boy. Yeah. Don't you, good boy. What? Oh, shut up.
Go ahead and recall him.
Miller, come. Miller, sit.
Good sit, Miller.
Good sit. Miller, place. Good sit. Good place.
And you can go ahead and release.
Break.
Good